Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Ivy here. Today I am at the airport. Do you know what flies in the sky? I see an aeroplane. The aeroplane flies in the sky. It has wings just like a bird. Whee! Going back and landing on the runway. What else flies in the sky? Can you see? I see a helicopter. A helicopter flies in the sky. Look, the helicopter has blades at the top. They spin or rotate around. Whee! One more time. And it flies back. Now I'm going to tell you a story about going on an aeroplane. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello, hello. My name is Sunny. My favorite color is yellow. I'm going on a holiday with my brother. He's my twin brother. Ta-da! We both look the same. I'm going on a big aeroplane. I have already packed my luggage. Here they are. And I'm here at the airport. I need to take my luggage inside with me. My luggage is so heavy. This one is heavy too. I'm going to use a baggage trolley to push the luggage into the airport. Now I can push it. I'm going to push it inside now. Wait for me. Now that I am inside the airport, I need to go to the check-in desk so that the staff at the airport will know that I have arrived. This is the check-in desk. There's lots of people waiting in the queue, so I'll have to wait in line and be patient. It's finally our turn. Hello, my name's Sunny and I'd like to check in, please. Sure, please put your luggage here. Okay. Thank you, bye. The security staff checked my luggage and it will be sent off and loaded onto the aeroplane. Look, there's the baggage van. It takes my luggage to the big aeroplane. Next, I need to go through the security gates. I put my carry-on bag onto the X-ray conveyor belt. The security staff will make sure that everything in my bag is safe to take onto the aeroplane. After my bag goes through the X-ray machine, I walk through the security gate. This is to make sure that everyone stays safe on the aeroplane. My brother needs to do the same too. We walk to the boarding gate This is where we wait to board the aeroplane. Oh, my aeroplane is ready to board now. I'm so excited. I take the escalator down to board the plane. Here comes my brother. This is a pilot. He flies the aeroplane. The aeroplane goes along the runway and it lifts up into the sky. Whee! I love going on an aeroplane. Woo! The aeroplane has landed. We have arrived at our destination. We need to pick up our luggage at the baggage collection area. Let's go. This is the baggage collection area. The conveyor belt goes round and round, round and round. Oh, I see my luggage. There it is. This was such a good experience at the airport. Boys and girls, going to the airport and traveling on an aeroplane is so much fun and exciting. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again next time. Bye!